Today is November 22nd. This is Screencast number 6. And this week we covered impulse methods and convolutions, and then using Laplace solving methods to solve these equations. One strategy that we encountered in this solving strategy involves Dirac delta functions. In the assignment, the symbol for Dirac delta functions is represented by this delta, this d right here. Going forward, it will be used. So utilizing Laplace methods from the past few weeks for this specific homework assignment involved a few steps. The initial problem was y double prime plus 16y equals ut minus Dirac t to the t minus 13 plus the initial values given here. So the first step involved is just to take the Laplace transform of the entire equation. Doing so requires using some formulas previously learned and then also in the back of the textbook. From that point, we get to the second equation here, which is just what y double prime, the Laplace transform of y double prime, and then also the Laplace transform of 16y. So at this point, we just continually simplify the equation down further and get to the point of ys is e to the negative 13s over s times s squared plus 16. At this step, the inverse Laplace transform can be taken. And again, utilizing the formulas that we've learned in the past 2 weeks and also in the back of the book, we can simplify it further to its final solution. And just each of these is involved with the inverse Laplace transform formula, 1 over 16, 1 minus cosine 4t minus 13 from above, e to the 7t from above as well, and then its sine counterpart as well. This yields the final solution to this initial value problem using the methods that we've learned from this week.